Guess what just came in the mail? I am obsessed with Memoir phone cases. I got like one of the first ones when she started doing it. And then when I got a new phone, I got another one because obviously I wanted one that fit my new phone. But I was going through like an artsy phase, so I got the black in my new phone case and I just missed the neutral, so I got another neutral one. I love the way she does her packaging. I can't do this on camera. So nervous. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Gosh, she like nailed this. Tell me these are not Pretty Little Sisters. Wish you could see this in person because it's so beautiful. It's freaking perfect.